Massey Ferguson 135, 918 actual hours. Live PTO clutch works like it should. 3-point hydraulics work like they should. It is a clean tractor, guys. Look at the fenders here. Again, 918 hours on a working tack. Look down the hood. This is original paint. Just a nice driving tractor, guys. Brakes work like they should. It is smooth. This is one smooth tractor, guys. Headlights. Look close. Look down the lines. This is original paint. This has never been repainted. She shines, guys. Very clean. No oil on the motor. Rear. Got a nice step plate. Again, the fenders. Factory straight 6-speed. Oil pressure. Water temperature. Everything just like it should. If you're looking for a 135, don't look any further.